This is an Easter egg light from ECOLOR. In this video I'll be unboxing and setting up this light. There will be links and timestamp about everything that I talk about in this video down in the description. So if you see something that sparks your interest, then feel free to check it out. Let's start with the unboxing. I really like how this Easter egg light feels. Even though this light is cheap, it doesn't feel cheap. Inside the box you get a user manual, a USB cable, and a keyring and the light. The light can be used either plugged in or plugged out. To set this up is pretty straightforward and it should take you less than 5 minutes. You can download the ECOLOR Live app on your iPhone or Android by simply scanning the barcode in your user manual. Once it's downloaded, all you need to do is enable the app to use your Bluetooth, and once the light is on you should see it pop up. You can rename it to whatever you want. Inside the app you will have over 1 million colors to choose from. You can change the brightness from 1% all the way to 100%. You also have music mode, which works really nice. Hey guys, what's up? How are you guys doing? Check 1, 2. You can also schedule this light to turn off and on automatically. You can also control this light manually by clicking a button. Long press it for 3 seconds to turn on the light or turn it off. Click it once to change the colors and double click to change the brightness. This light comes in at $39 on Amazon. A link will be in the description, so if you want to check this light out, then feel free to check it out. The use case for this light is endless. You can use it as a lighting for your TikTok videos, a decoration lighting for like the Easter season that is around the corner, a night lamp for your kids, or even a camping lamp. As I said, the use cases for this lamp is definitely endless, so it's all up to your imagination.